Back up a little bit so he can... There you go. He likes it when you do that. You see that?
You can see the restaurant where I'm staying at. Did you just eat Mommy's phone?
Is that Daddy? Is it Daddy? I can't believe you guys are still there.
I know, I'm exhausted. Hopefully I won't have a 7 a.m. meeting. No, I won't. No, I won't.
Oh, Isaac is enjoying that so much.
How's that finger taste? I thought for sure you'd be in bed. No.
I want to be in bed. I want to be sleeping at this very moment, but it's kind of impossible with you. Is that Daddy?
Hey, buddy. You mean you're good for your mommy? You're gonna sleep like a big boy. Promise me. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Fit. Feel weird standing outside talking on a phone?
No, the problem is it's absolutely freezing here.
Oh. Is it?
Yeah, it's really cold.
Alright, well, we won't keep you much longer.
I know.
He seems to have settled down with his laughing. Is that You make him happy when you FaceTime him.
I love it. That's why I'm gonna keep an iPhone. I can FaceTime you, boy.
Oh, my head hurts.